Hi, thank you for your valuable time. I am sure that the time you are investing to watch this video will change your perception about your physical fitness. Today, I am going to discuss you about 4 major aspects which are directly related to you and your DNA, and it will be a pointer to transform you forever, and it will be a starting point to reveal the secrets how to reduce obesity, one of the major killer for human species, and also helps to reduce your biological age. I am Liju R. Nair, wellness enthusiast, passionate in genetic science and biohacking, which led me to start Genetrix Genetic Solutions, where I help people to actualize their dreams by assisting them to transform their lives by understanding their unique genetic makeup. And Genetrix is into a mission to transform India into a healthy country by the year 2025. Before start, let us have a look how relevant DNA is into human physical fitness. 99.9% of all human beings are similar, but the other 0.1% makes you unique in this universe. No similar person in this world is having the same DNA pattern. Your body is made up of approximately 37.2 trillion cells. In each cell, there are 23 pairs of chromosomes we all inherited from our father and mother, which contain our genes, which are made up of our DNA. DNA is made up of adenine, thymine, cytosine and guanine, A, T, C, G, the alphabets of your body. The arrangement of these alphabets in your DNA determines each and every functions of your body. Maybe you want to lose some weight or get rid of some lifestyle diseases which you are suffering from, or you just want to good look and be fit. Whatever your goals, you are in the right place. You might have tried various diets and exercises from various sources, maybe from social media or from some advisories, but you might not get the desired result as you wish. Why? Even I can't tell you which diet and exercise suits you best without knowing your unique genetic makeup. In the area of health and fitness, there is no one solution for all. The solution varies from person to person according to their genetic makeup. Genetrix can help you to find out which diet and which exercises suits you the best. Among the 4 major points mentioned earlier, the first one is your diet, where DNA plays a role. For example, if 2 persons ate a particular food of same quantity and calorific value, it is not necessary that their bodies behave similar to that diet and absorb vitamins and minerals in the same speed and same quantity. This is the reason we find different health parameters in siblings who are enjoying the same diet in the same home. To address this major area, we have genetic tests related to diet pattern, eating behavior, food reactions, metabolic health factors, nutritional needs, and body and weight, where various genes are analyzed for various factors including matching diet type, omega-3 and 6 levels, alcohol dependency, caffeine metabolism, lactose intolerance, nicotine dependence, various vitamins including vitamin B2, B12, vitamin C, D and E, cholesterol, blood sugar, obesity, weight loss, regain, metabolism rate. For example, the matching diet type results look like this, where analysis of 7 genes is done to find out which diet suits you the best. Another example is of lactose intolerance, where the gene is analyzed and result is generated. Likewise, all the above 37 factors are analyzed, and a genetic counselor helps you to understand how a diet behaves on you and help you to plan a diet which suits you the best for a good physical fitness. The second major area where your DNA plays a major role is your physical exercise. Suppose 4 friends are planning to have a badminton on a daily basis. It may not be necessary that all the four have the same feeling during the exercise and after the exercise. Some may be tired more and some other may get sweat more. It implies that every exercise does not have the same reaction on each and every person. Some persons are more fit for aerobic exercise and some other it is strength training. You might have heard that some celebrities and famous personalities recent days collapsed after their exercise pattern in gym and all, and they died. This is only because of overexertion, which their body does not want according to their genetic makeup. So be careful while doing exercises to select the exercise which suits you the best. To address this problem, we have certain gene tests to find out like aerobic capacity, endurance training, strength training, blood pressure response to exercise, loss of body fat response to exercise, weight loss response to exercise, insulin sensitivity response to exercise, HDL cholesterol response to exercise. For example, blood sugar response to exercise results look like this. Another one out of this is cholesterol response to exercise will be like this. Likewise, all the above 8 parameters are checked and report is generated to help you find how and which exercise benefits you. The third and the most important area where DNA plays a major role is about your lifestyle diseases. As all the lifestyle diseases have a genetic roots, it comes from your ancestors as earlier discussed, and it manifests when environment favors it. Oscar-winning actress Angelina Jolie, who after a gene test found herself at high risk for breast cancer, did a breast surgery to prevent herself safe from that disease to attack her. Even in the case of brothers with same diet and environment, one may manifest a cancer and other one may be safe, is a classic example of DNA differences among brothers. To address these major issues, we conduct gene tests in the area of cardiology, pulmonology, gastroenterology, neurology, oncology, orthopedics, diabetes, and reproductive areas by analyzing various disease risks like ulcerative colitis, asthma, type 1 and type 2 diabetes, heart failure, hypertension, stroke, sudden cardiac arrest, bladder cancer, ovarian cancer, lung cancer, pancreatic cancer, thyroid cancer, etc. Here you can see how some reports look like. In the same manner, all the above 34 disease conditions are analyzed and reports will be generated for each and every parameter, and expert advice will be given to you how to deal with this disease in case you have a high risk. Some people generally ask me, is it scary by knowing the diseases which are going to attack to me? Definitely not. Because our team of genetic counselors and doctors will advise how to get rid of this disease and how to prevent this particular disease. And even you can go for some minor periodical checkups to find out whether you are nearing to that disease or not, so that you will be in a safe zone. The fourth major point, which is directly related to your DNA, is that the medicines which are going to use in case of an emergency or in case of a disease. To address these major issues, we test over 550 medicines for their DNA analysis and how it matches your DNA, so that we can tell you which medicine is right for you. Here you can see how these tests for various medicines looks like. With the help of this DNA test, you can avoid medicines which cause you harm. This is not an allergy test. This test tells how your body metabolizes that particular medicine. This test came to your rescue when you need an urgent medication for a particular disease, and there are various options for the same disease. Your doctor can select the best suitable medicine and it helps you in fast recovery without any toxic buildup due to medications. Finally, I wish to discuss about some major doubts people are asking to me. One of the major doubt is that what is the difference between a clinical lab test and genetical lab test? Clinical lab test is a test which tell you about your today's parameter. That means the present condition of you. What about your BP? What about your sugar level? What about your cholesterol level? Etc. etc. But genetical test is something different, where you can even test a boy at the age of 10 and find out whether which disease is going to him in his future, whether he may be attacked by a cardiac thing or diabetes or some cancer or something, so that he can be questioned and he can get rid of that disease by periodical checkup and questions. That is the major difference. And the second doubt is that what about a patient who is already sick? How genetic test is going to help him? Suppose if a patient who is having a diabetes issue, he may occur some other disease in future, as diabetes is told as the mother of all other diseases. He might cause some cardiac disease or some kidney failure or some other cancer. By a genetic test, we can pinpoint which disease is having a high risk for this particular patient, so that extra care can be given on that particular area and he can be saved in that area. And the third major doubt is that how this test is conducted and how much time it takes. This test is a very simple test by taking your saliva, and it took only 5 minutes, and it is a painless procedure, and you can get the test report within 20 days. In a nutshell, our test will be a one-stop solution which gives you the benefits of consulting a dietitian, doctor, fitness expert, genetic counselor, and pharmacogenomic specialist. This test is going to solve 3 major problems of you. 1. Visceral fat and related obesity, the major threat to human life. Second one is stop constant increase of body age, thus reduce your body age. And third, lifestyle disease detection and reversal. For any further queries and doubts, you can WhatsApp me at my number 9846977770.